Dear learners, I hope all of you are doing well, staying at home by this corona situation. And I would like to thank all of you because all of you are joining in our online class of Shoida Evolution High School. Today I am here to discuss with you for class 9 and 10 English first paper. Dear learners, look at the board. Welcome to my class. This is Akhtar Hussain, assistant teacher, Shoida Evolution High School, Farachar, Wal Dhamrai, Dhaka. Dear learners, what can you see in this picture? Look at the pictures and discuss with your friends. In this situation, you cannot discuss with your friends and think just yourself. Think yourself. What can you see in the picture? In the first picture, we can see river erosion. In the second picture, a picture of an animal. In the next picture, we can see some trees, and then some boys are playing. There is a tea garden, and in the last picture, we can see a picture of a tiger. Now, what do you think? What can be our today's topic? Dear learners, can you imagine? I think all of you are imagining that what will be our today's topic. Let us see. These pictures are about our nature and environment. Lesson declaration. So, our today's lesson is nature and environment. Nature and environment, which is the breed of the roaring rivers, is related with the rivers. Learning outcomes. What can we learn after finishing this lesson? After completing this lesson, student will be able to comprehend the summarize the text, to ask and answer the questions, to say the meaning of keywords, to take part in debates on given topic. Dear learners, let's watch a video clip. Before going to our discussion, we will watch a video clip. Let us enjoy the video. Dear learners, you can watch that the soil is going damaged underwater. The flood area is going destroyed because of flood. Dear learners, we watched a video about river erosion of Bangladesh. In this slide, now we will see the next slide. Dear learners, look at the above pictures and think about the previous life of Meherjan. In this picture, we can see the previous life of Meherjan. What was Meherjan's previous life? She struggled a lot to establish herself. Now we will see some keyword and we will know the meaning of the keyword as well as we will also make the sentence with this keyword. Erosion. Can you say, my dear students, can you say what is the meaning of erosion? Yes, I think many of you know what is the meaning of erosion. That is the picture of erosion. We will see the meaning of erosion. The meaning of erosion is okay. The meaning of erosion is the process of eroding or being eroded by wind, water, or other natural agents. Now we will make a sentence by the word erosion. Meherjan lost all her property due to river erosion. We will see the next word, embankment. My dear student, do you know what is the meaning of embankment? Many of you, I think, know about the meaning of embankment. Let me see the picture of embankment. The meaning of embankment: a wall of stone or earth made to keep water back. So the meaning of embankment is a wall of stone or earth made to keep water back. If we make a sentence by the word embankment, Meherjan lives in a slum on the Shirazganj town. Protection embankment. Let us see the next word, whisper. My dear student, do you know what is the meaning of whisper? Yes, I think many of you know the meaning of whisper. That is the picture of whispering. A person is whispering. We will see the meaning of whisper. The meaning of whisper is to speak very quietly to somebody so that other people cannot hear what one is saying. It is the meaning of whisper. If we make a sentence by using this word whisper, we can say, the boy whispered me, don't believe a selfish friend. The next word is roar. You are listening, roaring of a tiger. The meaning of the roar is to make a loud, deep, harsh sound of tiger, river, or any animals. If we make a sentence by using this roar, the tiger is roaring for hungry. Tiger is roaring for hungry. Slum. My dear student, do you know what is slum? Yes, I think many of you know what is slum. Let us see what is slum. This is the picture of a slum. We will see the meaning of slum. The meaning of slum: a overcrowded urban area inhabited by very poor people. A overcrowded urban area inhabited by very poor people. The slum, if we make a sentence by using the word slum, Meherjan lives in a slum on the Shirazganj town. Protection embankment. If you can make a sentence by using slum as you wish. Such as I can say, many people live in a slum. Unsteady. Do you know what is the meaning of unsteady? Yes, many of you know what is the meaning of unsteady. Let us see. Unsteady. The meaning of unsteady is a liable to fall or shake. The meaning of unsteady is a liable to fall or shake. If we make a sentence by using this word unsteady, the flame of this candle is unsteady. The flame of this candle is unsteady. Demolish. Do you know what is the meaning of demolish? Yes, many you know the meaning of demolish. You are also watching this picture. What do mean demolish? We see the meaning of demolish. To pull or knock down something. Demolish means to pull or knock down something. If we make a sentence by using this word demolish, the greedy Jamuna has demolished Meherjan's all happiness. The greedy Jamuna has demolished Meherjan's all happiness. Okay, now we have to work individually. Let us see which work we will do individually. Dear students, you can see a gap, fill in the gaps where you have to work individually. Complete the summary of Meherjan's life with words or phrases from the box. Here we have to fill the gap by using suitable words. We see the box. There are some words: victims, affects, close to, slum dweller, homeless, threats. Example: due to, shortage of food, 1 lakh. Now we will fill the gap. Let me try. I think many of you know Meherjan is a typical. Can you imagine which word will be here? Yes, many of you know which word will be here. Let me see. Homeless. Yes, you are right. Homeless. Meherjan is a typical homeless woman who lives in a slum. She lost her shelter and properties. Who can say the second answer of this box? Yes, many of you know the second answer. Let me see. Due to, the reason. She lost her shelter and properties due to the erosion of river Jamuna. She also lost her family. Her husband had died of disease caused by poverty. And what is the answer here? Can you think? Yes, many of you are thinking what will be the answer. Let us see, and you must match with your answer. The answer will be shortage of food. I think many of you have done correctly. Now, dear learners, now she is only a. What will be the answer? She is only a. Yes, many of you have done correctly. Let us see the answer. Slum dweller. Now she is only slum dweller. Like Meherjan, there are many people who have become the. What is the answer? I think you should think first. Yes, many of you are thinking what will be the answer. Many of you are doing wrong or many of you are doing right. Yes, let us see the answer. The answer will be victims. Yes. Of river erosion. River erosion is still causing. What is the answer of number 6? Yes. Can you say? Yes. Let us see the answer. Threats to the lives and properties of 1,000 people. The number 6 will be threats. Next, people living. Can you think what will be the answer? People living. After living, number 7. Yes, let us see. People living close to rivers. People are related to river. People live close to river are most likely victims of river erosion. The number 8, each year about. What will be the answer? Yes, many of you know what will be the answer. Let us see. Each year about 1 lakh people become homeless due to river erosion in Bangladesh. Next number 9. Meherjan's life is just one. What is the answer? Let us see. Example. Yes, Meherjan's life is just one example of how climate change. How is climate changing? It is the best example of Meherjan's life. And then finally, what will be the answer? Let us see. Affects. The answer will be affects the lives of thousands of people. So dear learners, I think many of you have done well. Many of you have corrected many answers, and some of you may be wrong or right. Don't misunderstand it. You have tried your best. That is the fact. Let us see our next slide. Evaluation. Now I will evaluate you. What do you understand this our today's class? So the best answer, you will put down the right answer. You will see at first read the question. What does adapt mean? Do you know what is the meaning of adapt? Yes. What does adapt mean? Is it adjust, unchanged, chaos, then? Okay. Right. Just write down your answer. I will give the right answer by ending 3 best answer. Now, number 2, the embankment represents, is it dam, river, erosion or quiver? Number 3, the river Jamuna has consumed. What will be the answer? Number 8, the cultivable land. Number B, houses. Number C, bamboo bush of Meherjan. Or number D, all of the answer. I think many of you corrected your answer. Let us see the answer. The answer will be number 1. What does adapt mean? The adapt mean is number A, adjust. I think many of you have done correctly. Number 2, embankment represents. What embankment represents? Embankment represents the river. Number B. And the final answer is the river Jamuna has consumed. Number C, bamboo bush of Meherjan. I think many of you have done 3 answers rightly or correctly. Let us see our today's homework. Our today's homework will be write down in your note. Write 10 sentences about merit and demerits of flood. It will be our homework. Right? You have to write 10 sentences about merit and demerits of flood. Have you written? Yes, I think all of you have written. Now, dear learners, today's class is finished. I think all of you have understood our today's lesson. I also hope that you will enjoy the class and you will stay at home and continue our school online class of Shahid Abu High School. Thank you all.
ঠিক আছে।